replace the battery on your key fob. It's really simple. You just take this, you push that button in. Sometimes it is a bit tight. The plastic, as you can see, sometimes it does catch. I mean, you can take the key out if you want. It's not necessary. But you just push this button, push down there, and then you just slide it out. And then over here with the batteries, you just put your finger in, you pull it out, and there we go. So that's as simple as that. You put the new battery in, you just slide that back in, slide your cover back on, and in this case I put the key out again. It's not necessary, but sometimes the key will just slip out, so just pull it out. Put the key in and your car is ready.